Today's video is regarding Betazol Cream, which is a combination of two medicines. Miconazol, which is used to treat fungal infections, and Betamethasone, which is a medium-strength corticosteroid that reduces the swelling, itching, and redness. Betazol Cream is used to treat fungal infection including athlete's foot, Jock itch, Ringworm, Pityriasis, and also used for skin inflammation, itching associated with fungal infection, Dermatitis, Psoriasis, and Eczema. Now let's see how to use this cream. Use this medication on the skin only. Clean and thoroughly dry the area to be treated. Apply the cream evenly to the affected areas 2 times daily. Use this medication regularly and use it at the same time each day. The duration period to apply the cream is 5 to 7 days, but it can be prolonged to 1 month, according to your skin condition. Don't skip this part of video, as it contains important instructions about this cream. Betazol cream should not be used for acne and pimples, as it can worsen acne, unless your doctor tells you to use. Some fungal infections are contagious, so always wash your hands before and after the treatment. Always wash your socks, stockings, tights, underwear thoroughly to remove any fungal spores. Betazol cream can cause skin dryness and irritation. To avoid skin dryness, use moisturizer cream. If itching or irritation happens after applying the cream, consider using an ice pack or any gentle cooling agent. Don't allow sweat, especially in your private parts, underarms, as it results in relapse of fungal infection. Discard the tube after 3 months from opening. Do not apply this medication in the eyes, nose, mouth, or genital areas. Some of the side effects which you may experience are burning, stinging, itching, redness, and dryness of the skin. If you have any question or suggestion, just drop below, we will answer that.